Welcome to Chain Train, your go-to podcast for everything crypto. In today's episode, we dive into the latest headlines from Bitcoin's market pullback to rising cryptocurrency scams and adoption. We also explore how luxury brands are embracing crypto payments and the latest moves in regulatory discussions under the Trump administration. Buckle up as we take you through the highs and lows of the ever-evolving cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin has fallen over 10% from its record high of $108,000 earlier this week, dropping to $95,564 amid reduced expectations for US monetary easing. Experts attribute the decline to typical crypto market corrections and year-end profit-taking rather than fundamental triggers. Smaller tokens like Ether and Dogecoin also saw declines. Despite the dip, Bitcoin remains up nearly 50% since November. Analysts advise caution as momentum slows but do not anticipate a major collapse. Bitcoin's post-Trump election rally to record highs surpassing $100,000 has spurred luxury brands like St. Dupont and Printemps to adopt cryptocurrency payments. Binance France partnered with Group LG to enable crypto purchases for luxury vehicles, reflecting growing acceptance despite regulatory pushback. Pioneers like Gucci and Burberry began crypto payments during past rallies, signaling luxury's embrace of digital assets to tap into a lucrative customer base and emerging payment trend. Ontario Provincial Police, through Project Atlas, thwarted $70 million in cryptocurrency fraud and froze $24 million in stolen funds, identifying over 2,000 fraud-linked crypto wallets across 14 countries. The initiative, in partnership with global law enforcement and private firms, aims to disrupt organized crypto scams and raise awareness. Victims are urged to report fraud and access resources at op.ka/atlas to prevent falling prey to increasingly sophisticated investment scams. A fake Uber driver, Nur Hussein, stole over $290,000 in cryptocurrency from victims in Scottsdale, AZ, by tricking them into handing over their phones. Posing as a legitimate driver, Hussein used victims' phones to transfer cryptocurrency to his accounts, threatening one victim with a visible gun. He targeted two victims in March and October 2024, stealing $97,000 and two bitcoins worth $98,000 each. Hussein was arrested in December and faces charges of theft, fraud, and money laundering. North Korean hackers stole $1.3 billion in cryptocurrency in 2024, accounting for over half of the $2.2 billion stolen globally, according to Chainalysis. Hackers infiltrated crypto firms, often by posing as remote IT workers, exploiting compromised private keys. Major thefts included $300 million from Japan's DMM Bitcoin and $235 million from India's Wazirex. The US accuses North Korea of using crypto theft to fund weapons programs and is offering up to $5 million for information on the schemes. El Salvador will continue buying Bitcoin despite an IMF warning and a $1.4 billion loan agreement requiring reduced Bitcoin exposure. Bitcoin remains legal tender alongside the US dollar, though tax payments will be dollar only. El Salvador owns 5,968 bitcoins worth $594 million, with recent purchases seen as countering perceptions of diminished crypto status. Since adopting Bitcoin in 2021, the nation has promoted it through initiatives like Bitcoin Beach and the Adopting Bitcoin Conference. Michael Saylor, co-founder of MicroStrategy, has offered to advise Donald Trump on cryptocurrency policies, emphasizing Bitcoin's role in finance. MicroStrategy, a major Bitcoin investor with 439,000 BTC, balances its crypto investments with a $75 million annual software division. Saylor's strategy focuses on shareholder value through dual revenue streams. Set to join the Nasdaq 100, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin focus could drive market growth but raises concerns over volatility and long-term stability. Finance Minister Pichai Chunhavajira suggested continuing a Bitcoin sandbox in Phuket to explore cryptocurrency adoption. He clarified Bitcoin wouldn't replace existing currencies but would operate via financial transaction systems, ensuring no risk to recipients. The Bank of Thailand's volatility concerns were dismissed as Bitcoin use, is limited to the sandbox. Former PM Thaksin Shinawatra emphasized studying digital assets to align with global trends and address potential US trade policies under Trump. Dylan Meisner, a 31-year-old Westport man, was sentenced to 4 years in prison for stealing nearly $4.5 million from his former employer, a cryptocurrency research firm. Meisner, who worked as vice president of finance, fraudulently diverted funds from the company's wallets to cover personal trading losses. He was sentenced after pleading guilty to wire fraud and ordered to repay $4.6 million, including stolen funds and an unpaid loan. The FBI investigated the case. Used car marketplaces are increasingly accepting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin for vehicle purchases, offering benefits like faster transactions, lower fees, and global reach. Platforms like AutoCoin Cars and BitCars have embraced crypto payments, with some providing escrow services. However, buyers should be cautious of market volatility, ensure secure transactions, and complete necessary paperwork. Scams, price changes, and technical issues are risks to consider when using crypto to buy a car. A Sheridan resident lost over $150,000 in a cryptocurrency scam after being contacted by a fake broker named Sophia. The victim wired $100,000 to a New Jersey account and was told his investment grew, but to withdraw funds, he needed to pay a $50,075 blockchain fee. After wiring the fee, the victim was unable to access his funds and discovered the exchange EDX had no record of his account. The alleged scammer, Jiahui Chen, was arrested for felony theft. The US SEC's relationship with the cryptocurrency industry has been rocky, but changes may be coming under President-elect Trump's administration. A recent meeting highlighted concerns over the SEC's 2018 Hinman speech, which caused confusion in the market. New SEC leadership, including Chairman nominee Paul Atkins and Commissioners Pierce and Uyeda, aims to promote transparency, halt baseless enforcement, and encourage collaboration, potentially leading to clearer, crypto-friendly regulations. That's a wrap for today's Chain Train. Stay tuned for more updates as the world of cryptocurrency continues to change at lightning speed. Don't forget to subscribe and keep riding the Chain Train for more insights and news in the crypto space. Thanks for listening.